Hello, and welcome back to GovDoc News. No opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you take it from there. Check out the Patreon. We are back today with a ruling on an order, or opinion on an order from the Supreme Court. In the case, National Institutes of Health v. American Public Health Association. Alright, this is a ruling on a request from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and other government entities to pause or stay a lower court's decision while they appeal it. The case in question involved a dispute over the NIH's termination of research grants and the issuance of new policy directives. A Massachusetts district court originally ruled that both the terminations of grants and the directives were unlawful under the Administration Procedures Act, or APA, which governs how federal agencies make decisions. Under this ruling, NIH would have had to reinstate the grants and terminate the use of the new internal guidelines. So, the NIH appealed the decision, resulting in a denial by the district court and circuit courts. Obviously, the Supreme Court is next in line. District, Circuit, Supreme, remember? And they have made their ruling on the stay here. The Supreme Court's ruling involved a partial granting of the stay and a partial denial of the stay. The court paused the part of the district court's ruling that reinstated the canceled grants, meaning the NIH does not have to immediately restore funding to those grants while the appeal of the original case continues. The reasoning for this involved jurisdiction, where the district court did not have the authority to make the ruling. The authority there belongs to the Court of Federal Claims, not a regular district court. Also, the court ruled that the government could face irreparable harm if it has to pay out grant money and later wins the case. Interesting here, though, this is because the researchers and states have not promised to pay money back if the case is ruled against them. Normally, financial loss isn't considered irreparable, but can be if the money cannot be recovered. Alright, so now on to the partial denial. The Supreme Court did not pause the part of the district court's ruling that struck down the NIH's internal guideline documents. This means that NIH cannot use those guidance documents for now, as the district court found them unlawful under the APA. Vacating the guidance is separate from reinstating the grants, so the district court likely had the authority to rule on this part. Alright, so what happens now? What happens now? The appeals to the actual case are still playing out in the federal courts. But while that happens, the NIH does not have to reinstate the grants, but cannot use the internal guidance documents any further. So it's not over yet, still playing out. Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion, check out the Patreon. See you next time.